All right, scholars, we're going to read a green book today. Miss Esther's going to read it to you first, and we're going to look for words that are repeated over and over again, and then you're going to have a chance to read the book all by yourself. So the book is called Bear Gets a Hat. So let's get started. Bear gets a hat. I have to get a hat. Will you come with me? Yes. Here we go. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a duck. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a turtle. Do you like this one? That is not a hat. That is a cupcake. Do you like this one? Yes. I want one. Here you go. I like it. So these were our power words that we saw in our book. So let's review those. I, have, me, go, like. Will, with, to, come, yes. Do, this, not, you, that. Get, is, want, it, we. A, here, one. When you were reading this book, did you notice some sentences that were repeated over and over again? Miss Esther did. I noticed the question that the bear kept asking. He said, do you like this one? And then the bird would say, that is not a hat. And then he would tell Bear what it was. Now, it's your turn to read. So Miss Esther is going to go back to the beginning of the story, and I will turn the page, and I want you to read as I turn the pages. All right, now it's your turn to read. Bear gets a hat.